Hi, there we are. So today we're installing another package of bees in the Bee America. We just did that hive, and now we're going to do this hive here. We've got our agriculture inspection sticker, right, which came with the bees. That's the hive we just installed, and this is the package that we're going to install now. There it is, that way, right? So here it is. We're just going to go over to the hive that we're going to install. We've got essentially one super ready to go, and this is just a frame with foundation, right? And we've got some Swiffers on there, got a little bit of old comb, which will help give them a little boost, and that'll be fun. So I'm just going to put you right here, and then we'll watch this frame coming in. The first thing we're going to do, right? Let me do that. We're just taking these traveling frames off, because it'll make it a little easier to install. Just pop right off. Right. So I'm just doing that. Okay, and so here's our package. We're going to take this over to our hive. Right. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a couple of these frames out. Give us a little space in the hive to install. Okay, so we got a little space, a little screen bottom board there. And here, what we're going to do, is we're just going to take the top off. There we go. And as you can see, there's a can of sugar water there. We're just going to take that can of sugar water off, and there's this strap. You can see this strap. That's going to be the queen cage. These queens are not marked. If they were marked, they would have a blue dot on them. So here, we just pull the can out. Right. There's just a couple of bees on the bottom there. Just in the sugar water, but not so. So now, what we're going to do is we're just going to pour the bees into the hive. There's about 3 pounds of bees. There's some drones. Not many drones probably, but I just saw one. This cage here on the bottom, right, that is going to be the queen. We'll take a look at her in just a second. Right. So we've got a nice empty package there. We'll just set that down in case we need it. And now what we want to do is take this. This is our queen, right? You see the queen is a little bit larger in there. She's got an attendant or two, right? And there's a drone. Right, so there's a drone. So here we're going to open this very carefully so as not to hurt the queen. Right. These are nice Corollians. Right, so here we are. Here's what we're going to do. We're just going to, you can see the queen. You can see the queen is a little bit larger in there, right? There's smaller ones, and then there's the queen that's larger one. So there we are. So here's what we're going to do. We're just going to open this up a little bit. The hive tool being very careful. And then there she is. Have her come out. Right? She flew. Is she really flying? Okay. So, we're done with all of that. So now, we have our queen. See, there's one alarm signal there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this hive feeder and we're going to put that down. First we're going to brush these a little bit. Down on top. Slowly so they have a chance to get back, right? And then we put the now we're going to put the top board on like this, and then there. That works. And that's how we're installing the hive. So that's pretty exciting. So